Kuliah bun fibro kanyum tip mem tai kubor Laitkam tekane Kawei kade po Eastern West Khas Hill Mairang Laitkam DO data entry operator kane di tang Kawei one Mairang CNRT block kas name kade 37 years or below life news name lane shapo ka qualification kade 12 pass with diploma in computer pide bendap ka 12 pass with diploma in computer DCA minimum 2 years of work experience in related field as name ka work experience desire experience nada mdon romdele rilada nomor ada kim don ki hapshim hi ki bom don experience rila ki don ki badon experience mudba kinyo hi ki badon experience pay per month kalong khat arjar applicant should submit their application and standard form ka standard form chinna po dukan serok along with all relevant documents during working hours the date of receipt of application the last date kan day live ho tarik jong banai me date of written examination will be intimate accordingly kane kade hapo Eastern West Khas Hill district Deputy Commissioner District Program Coordinator Eastern West Khas Hill District te hablai bi hapo DC office ma kane de hapo Deputy Commissioner District Program Coordinator Eastern West Khas Hill District sakali habai de bat kine kapos Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin PMAYG in the office of Stress Block Implementing Division BID Mairang SRD Block under Eastern West Khas Hill Mairang minimum period for 1 year extend based on performance. Tesalikli ya kane ka marbihabat submit offline ya kane ka post lembaga application te penmit lembaga kane ka office the Deputy Commissioner District Program Coordinator Eastern West Khas Hill District Mairang. Te tangine jemput kuliah